I have a trick for you that I'm so excited to share. If you have to bulk produce content in Canva, let's say name tags or cue cards or even just social media posts, this is what you can do. Go over to either Excel or even Google Sheets, type in text for creating these designs. I created one column that has the scripture name and another column that has the actual scripture. I'm going to take this file and put it as a CSV file. And download that, hit save. Now go over into Canva. I created 3 little templates that I like. This style, this is similar background, just different flowers, and then a third one here. All right. So I have these all in Canva. You're going to click on the apps icon, hit bulk create, upload that CVS file that we just created, click open. And then over here, you can see it's showing 3 different data fields that I have in that sheet. You go to the spot where you want to have all of the text from, this was the scripture reference, and this was the actual scripture. Right click on it and hit connect data. And over here, I'm going to reference Ecclesiastics. And then up here at the top, click on it again, and then right click, connect data. Connect data. Here we go. He has made everything beautiful, which that was the scripture. We're going to put that in there. Now you can see right here it has these symbols on the side. Don't worry about it. It's all going to be fine. It'll disappear. I'm going to click continue. In case you have an Excel sheet where there's spaces in it, see how this is blank right here? I'm going to unselect those. It has all the text that I need. And then I'm going to hit generate pages. It's going to open up like a new file source in Canva, and it has created all of those templates. Now you'll see some of them, like this one is too big. I could have the option to just delete that or resize it, maybe stretch it out a little bit, or even change it over to a different graphic. If you noticed, I had one that had a larger space for text. Super fast way to massively save time and start bulk creating all of your content in Canva. There you go. There you have it. Have fun playing and keep creating.